Hi guys, so I know it's already August and I'm still here talking about the July goodie box, but I was on a vacation so I didn't really have the time to make this video yet. So yeah, here we go then. So last month's box was a pretty green colored one, and let's see what's in the box now. Because of the COVID virus, of course, this one is called the staycation box. So as I already said, I just went on a vacation to Italy, so I did not really stay home, but well, yeah. Let's see. There are a lot of smells coming to me and it smells really great. Alright, my hair is falling in here. So the first thing I've got is, I don't really know what it is. It's from Mesoda Milano Velvet Kiss. I guess it's a lip pencil. But it's only here in Italian and in French, but yeah. Like I said, it is a red lip pencil. Alright, nice. Then we've got a white bottle. It's a rose and berries balmy cleanser from Pink Petals. Alright, let's see. Ooh. I really don't know if I smell this one or I smell other things in the box, so well, I'll have to see. Then we've got a big colorful bottle. It's an after sun, so yeah. With my body type, I burn very quickly. That will really come in handy, of course. Still don't know what I'm smelling in here. So then we've got an Ocean Mist hairspray. A hairspray with natural sea salt for a beach messy hair look. Alright. So I've just went into the shower, I've dried my hair a bit, but yeah, maybe I'll be trying this out today already. I'll have to see. Then we've got a little orange bottle from Dr. Rimpler. It's an high protection SPF 30. Alright. I usually use SPF 50. But yeah, this comes in handy when I go on a skiing vacation or go out on a sunny fall day or something like that, so yeah. Then it's already the last one. It's from Mask Me Up, a heel mask. Definitely have to try this one out also. So yeah, overall I really think this box is very fun and there's a lot of useful products in it, so I think, yeah, I like it. Alright, so I would say I'll see you next month, but hopefully I'll see you again this month with the next goodie box for August. Alright,